Imagine scrolling your feed and suddenly stopping on pure joy, bright smiles, creative energy, fashion that inspires, art that teaches, dances that make you move, and DIY projects built from scratch. That's exactly what happens when Carley appears. On TikTok and Instagram, this 21-year-old creator has captured nearly 400,000 followers on TikTok with over 7.7 million likes, and her community keeps growing fast in 2026. Her simple bio says it all: just want to make your day better, smiley face, and she truly does. Every video radiates positivity, creativity, and authenticity. For young people looking for inspiration, fun entertainment, style motivation, or a quick mood lift, Carley delivers exactly that. She's the kind of talent who mixes multiple passions into short, addictive content that feels fresh and uplifting every time. Let's take a closer look at why she's become such a standout. Carley's world is all about feel-good lifestyle and endless creativity. She flows effortlessly between fashion looks, energetic dances, step-by-step art lessons, hands-on DIY builds, and even delicious baking experiments, packing so much into quick, easy-to-love videos. One clip shows a smooth outfit transition with fresh style ideas, sparking instant motivation to refresh your own wardrobe. The next brings high-energy dance moves synced to trending sounds, making it impossible not to smile and maybe even join in for a second. Then comes the art side: clear, fun tutorials like drawing the human body in tricky three-point perspective, starting with simple horizontal lines and dots, then building shapes that create depth and wow factor. Viewers learn real techniques while enjoying her calm, encouraging vibe. Don't miss the DIY moments, like her favorite project from 2024, building a stunning archway step by step. Imagine creating something beautiful with your own hands and walking through it every day. That's the kind of satisfying creativity she shares. And the baking? Think whipping up a Nubes sponge cake in a rice cooker or turning cooking camp crafts into colorful pasta mosaics painted with acrylic. Fun, approachable ideas that inspire anyone to get in the kitchen. What ties it all together is her genuine positivity. No drama, no negativity, just encouragement, confidence, and kindness. She's showing the next generation that it's exciting to explore different talents, styling outfits one day, sketching perspectives the next, dancing freely, building structures, experimenting in the kitchen, all while staying true to yourself and spreading good energy. Fans feel it instantly. Comments flood in with messages like, "You literally brighten my day," so creative and positive, and finally a creator who does everything with joy. At just 21, Carley proves you can be multi-talented, stylish, skilled, and uplifting all at once. Her content isn't just entertaining, it's motivating. It pushes young people to try new things, feel good about their creativity, and keep the internet a brighter, more welcoming place. Whether the scroll needs fashion inspiration, a quick art lesson, dance energy, a DIY win, or simply 15 seconds of happiness, Carley consistently delivers. She's redefining what feel-good content looks like in 2026: authentic, versatile, and always focused on making viewers smile. Carley at Carley Kiki 3 is that special mix of creativity, style, real talent, and heart. She's already inspiring thousands with her positive approach, showing that young creators can entertain, teach, and lift others while keeping everything joyful and real. For anyone chasing inspiration, creative sparks, or just a happier feed, she's the perfect follow. Her journey is exciting to watch, and she's clearly just getting started on making even more days better. If this spotlight on Carley boosted the mood, show some love with a like right now and subscribe with notifications on. That way every new young talent feature comes straight to the feed. In the comments, share which part of Carley's content stands out most: fashion looks, art tutorials, dance fun, DIY projects, or baking magic. And let the team know if deeper dives into her creative moments would be welcome next. Head over and follow her today. The energy is worth it. TikTok at Carley Kiki 3. Instagram at the Carley Cake 2. Links are waiting in the description and pinned comment. Feel free to tell her the channel sent the vibes. Thanks for watching, keep creating, keep spreading positivity, and catch the next spotlight on Rising Stars soon. Take care.